Welcome back to my channel, and today's cue card topic is describe a time when you forget something important। इस क्यू कार्ड में हमसे पूछा गया है किसी ऐसे टाइम के बारे में जब हमने कोई बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ जो हम भूल गए, लेके जानी बहुत ज़रूरी थी लेकिन हम उसको भूल गए। इसके फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन, व्हेन इट हैपन, व्हाट यू फॉरगेट, व्हाट वाज द रिजल्ट ऑफ योर फॉरगेटिंग, व्हाई इट वाज इम्पोर्टेंट। मीन्स इसमें हमें बताना है कि जो आप चीज़ भूले, ये इंसिडेंट कब हुआ, क्या चीज़ थी जो आप भूले, उसका रिज़ल्ट क्या हुआ, और उसके बाद हमें बताना है कि वो क्यों चीज़ वो इतनी इम्पॉर्टेंट थी। तो आइए देखते हैं इसके सैम्पल क्यू कार्ड आंसर को। सैम्पल क्यू कार्ड आंसर इज़, इन टुडेज़ कंटेम्प्रेरी एरा एवरीबडी follows a hectic schedule and always run out of time. In the quest of satisfying material desire, sometimes people forget some crucial things and subsequently they land in trouble. Being very retentive, there are very few incidents when I forget something important. Here I would like to talk about a time when I was rebuked by my parents against something I had forgotten. I vividly remember it was in the month of April last year. I was traveling to my paternal parents' home. I was very excited to spend my vacation at my paternal uncle's house. I had to carry a piece of cloth which belonged to my paternal grandmother, and I had to deliver her safely as my grandmother had to wear that sari on their 70th marriage anniversary. I was over the moon to meet my childhood friend as my paternal parents' home, so I forgot to take that piece of cloth with me. When I was half the way, I remembered it. I was scared, so I decided to rush down to the train to go back home. The distance between home and where I was going was 70 miles. I knew that my parents would come in the evening from the office and I had to rush before they arrived. Unfortunately, I received home when they were at home. I was totally shocked and they were too. They asked me the reason why I did that, and then I described it all. My mother started scolding me for this mistake while my father was a little worried about any kind of mishappening. I was down in the dumps and I felt ashamed for myself. This session went for half an hour and I was set free after verbal torture. So this was the time when I forget the sari which I have to give to my grandmother. So this was the sample cue count answer for you. Thank you.